what people are going to post, what celebrities you are following. You don't know what they are going to put, okay, and whether they are coming live or not, etc. These patterns can be used to trigger actions and initiative workflows, okay, such as creating alerts, feeding information to a reporting tool, storing transform data for later use. Stream Analytics is also available on the Azure IoT Edge runtime. It is available on Azure IoT Edge, Internet of Things, IoT Edge runtime, enabling to process data directly onto, okay, enabling to process data directly on IoT devices. The following scenarios are examples of when you can use Azure Stream Analytics. When you can use Azure Stream Analytics. See, streaming ETL pipeline to Azure storage in Parquet format, event-driven application with Azure SQL database and Azure Cosmos DBs, analyze real-time telemetry streams and logs from applications and IoT devices, real-time dashboard with Power BI, anomaly detection to detect spikes, dips, and slow positive and negative changes in sensor values, etc. These are some scenarios where we can use stream analytics. Okay, key capabilities of stream analytics or benefits of stream analytics. What is the benefits of stream analytics? Ease of use. It is ease of use. Azure Stream Analytics is easy to start. It only takes a few clicks to connect to multiple sources and syncs, creating an end-to-end pipeline. Streaming can connect to Azure Event Hubs, okay, and Azure IoT Hub for streaming data ingestions, as well as Azure Blob Storage to ingest historical data. Job inputs can also include statics or slow changing reference. This is all theory, guys. Ease of use. Okay, next, fully managed. It is fully managed by our cloud platform. We are directly just using it. It's fully managed by our cloud platform. Streamlytics is a fully managed offering on Azure. We don't have to provision any hardware or infrastructure upgrades of operating system or software. Okay, Azure Streamlytics fully manages our jobs, so you can focus on the logic and not on the infrastructure. Okay, run in the cloud or in the intelligence edge. Run in the cloud. It can run easily in the cloud. Low to total cost of ownership. Mission critical ready. Okay, reliability, trustworthy. Huge volume of data if also there. We can easily, okay, extract, and then we can, okay, transform, and then we can load into the destination. Azure Stream Analytics guarantees exactly once event processing and at least one delivery of events. So events are never lost. Exactly one processing is guaranteed with selected outputs as described in event delivery guarantees. Okay, Azure Stream Analytics has built-in recovery capabilities in case the delivery of an event fails. Stream Analytics also provides built-in checkpoints to maintain the state of your job and provides repeatable results. Security, it is 100% secure. It is having a good performance. You can see that. I'm going to show you the live demo. Okay, these are some key benefits of Azure Stream Analytics. These are some key benefits, key capabilities of Azure Stream Analytics. Okay, fine. Next is what key points on Azure Stream Analytics. Some key points for your interviews. We can process and analyze different streams of data with Azure Stream Analytics. We can analyze streams of data with SQL query language, or we can use JavaScript, .NET, or machine learning services with the Stream Analytics very easily. See the architecture diagram. Architecture Stream Analytics. Okay, with IoT, we are implementing our Azure Stream Analytics with the Internet of Things. This is IoT, Internet of Things. Okay, architecture of Stream Analytics with IoT device, simulator, and IoT hub. So see here, this is what one simulator. Okay, this simulator will fetch the data. It is capable of fetching the live data. It will fetch the live data. Okay, and it will pump the data to our IoT hub, Internet of Things. Internet of Things. It will pump the data to IoT hub, Internet of Things. Then from here, the data moves to Stream Analytics. Stream Analytics, okay, and then from Stream Analytics we'll run the jobs. Okay, we'll run the jobs, and this, when the jobs runs, then what happens here? The Stream Analytics will fetch the data from IoT hub, and loads the data into our destination, that is our blob storage account. Okay, so it is IoT device. This is what, this is our, okay, Raspberry Pi simulator. It's our Raspberry Pi simulator, which will extract the live data from the live event, live streaming event. We have to actually, this software we have to purchase. It's very costly software. We have to purchase. So what I'll do, instead of purchasing, I will just go ahead and I will use this software, this tool via browser. Okay, via browser I will use it. Fine. Then next, IoT hub. Fine. This Pi simulator will pump the data to IoT hub. IoT hub is an output, and the input, okay, will be received by the stream analytics. That is our live data, and then finally we are dumping, loading the data into our destination. Live data, and this data keeps on loading continuously because this Pi simulator will continuously load the data. Implementation steps of Azure Stream Analytics. Implementation steps of Azure or Stream Analytics. See here, let's open a browser-based Raspberry Pi simulator with below link. Okay, implementation I am doing now. I'll just click on this one. This is our Pi simulator, Raspberry Pi simulator. Okay, this software normally will purchase in our real-time companies, but I'm not purchasing this software. This is very costly, so I'm just using directly in the browser only. Okay, like this for temporary basis also you can use it. It's not a problem. Next, search for IoT hub in Azure portal. Click on plus create IoT hub name. Give this name. Okay, I'll come here to Azure portal. I'll say here portal.azure.com. Okay, fine. I'll say here plus create. Okay, I'll search here for what? Let me set this one. Okay, I'll say here plus create IoT hub name. So what I have to search here, IoT hub in first. Search here IoT hub. Click on this IoT hub. Say here plus create IoT hub name. What I'm giving the name as what? Naresh IoT hub 459. Any name you can give, your choice. Okay, I think I'm doing this in my paid subscription only. Okay, I'll take this one. I'll give this name Naresh IoT hub 459. Okay, then next networking tab. Okay, I'll just set up the other details. I'll say here Japan East. I'll deploy this in Japan East. Okay, I'm having multiple SKUs here. Standard, just go with standard. Daily messages limit. So how many messages that it can extract from the live streaming event? How many messages can attract? It can extract 4 lakh messages. It can extract. Okay, that is cost that I have to pay per month is 2079 rupees 87 paisa per month. Okay, I'll say your next networking. I'll set with public access. Okay, fine. Then I'll say next management. I'll say a shared access policy plus RBAC role based access control. Okay, fine. Device to cloud partitions for next add-ons. Okay, I'm not choosing these add-ons. I'll just leave these values to default as it is. Next tags, pass the tags if you are required as per your project standards, or else you can leave it. It doesn't matter. Go ahead and deploy the IoT hub. Okay. IoT is one of the softwares we are using. Okay, to extract, to get the data from Raspberry Pi simulator. Manpreet, is that clear? No, I don't think so, Shilpa. There is any alternative for Raspberry Pi simulator. Okay, this is software which we use to extract, to fetch the live data, live streaming data. We use this software. Okay, is that clear? All right, fine. So I'll just go ahead and I'll create this IoT hub. Okay, step 2 done. Next, step 3, go inside the IoT hub. Let it get deployed here first. Hold on. Okay, okay, so let it get deployed here. Just hold on. Okay, I hope the deployment will get succeeded without fail. Okay, fine. So the deployment got succeeded. Okay, now what I'll do here, I'll go inside the IoT hub. I'll click on devices. Okay, I'll go inside the IoT hub. Okay, fine. Guys, just hold on. Let me finish this demo first. Then I can take up your questions. Because see, when I'm on this screen now, I cannot see what you are putting in in the chat. No, AHEL, not OLTP data, not OLTP data. I have given an example of cricket match, right? Have you joined the class late? This is what live data I mean. The data which is getting generated live. Cricket match is the best example. Stock market. Daily the shares price go up and down like this. Fine. All right. So I came inside the IoT hub. Go inside the IoT hub. Okay. Fine. And then what I'll do, I'll click on devices and I'll say here add devices. Okay, so device management, click on the devices and then say here add devices. Add devices. Device ID, my IoT device. Give any name you can give, your choice. I'm giving it as water. I'm seeing it as device ID as my IoT device, and then click on save. Then wait for 5 seconds and refresh to check the device has been created. Okay, fine. Let us wait for some time. Okay, device got created. Refresh. See. Okay, now click inside this file. Click on the IoT device, the one we have created just now. Click on primary connection string. Okay, click on primary connection string. This one. Click on this one. The string will get copied completely here. Okay, fine. Click on primary connection string, extreme right to copy the primary connection string as shown below and paste it in browser-based Raspberry Pi simulator at line number 15. Okay, so you copy this one, primary connection, come here to your Raspberry Pi simulator at line number 15 connection string. Here you have to paste. Okay, here you have to paste. Fine, this is what we have to paste. Okay, why we are pasting this? Because when this pi simulator is fetching the live data, then this, if we pass this primary connection string of our IoT hub to this Raspberry Pi simulator, then it can sends the live data to our IoT device. Raspberry Pi simulator can send the live data to our IoT device. That's why we are giving the primary connection string of our IoT device to this Raspberry Pi simulator. Okay, fine. And click on run in Pi simulator to verify everything is working correctly, as to see the messages is being sent to our IoT hub from Raspberry Pi simulator. Okay, what it is saying, it is asking me to click on run. So if you come here and then see here, I'm having option called run. And then once you click on run, this see starts blinking. See, means what? The Pi simulator started extracting the data, extracting the live data. Okay, from some source that is given by Microsoft documentation. This is, it is extracting data. This indicator, something like ambulance indicator will bring like this one in a red light. Only voice is not there. That's it. Only voice is not there. Rest of the things are same only. Fine. So it is start message sent to Azure IoT Hub. It is sending the message to Azure IoT Hub. See, message sent to Azure IoT Hub. Message sent to Azure IoT Hub. Message sent to Azure IoT Hub. See, continuously sending the messages to our IoT Hub here. Fine. Now, after we click on run in Pi simulator, Raspberry Pi simulator, we'll find the indicator start blinking. This is the indicator which start blinking. Okay, indicator start blinking. It means the simulator started sending the messages to IoT Hub. Also, we can see the messages showing below as message sent to Azure IoT Hub. Yes, perfect. That also we are able to see here. See, message sent to Azure IoT Hub. Message sent to Azure IoT Hub. Perfect. Okay. Now our IoT Hub is all set up, and we have stream of events, and we have stream of events coming from the device. So now in Azure portal, search for stream analytics job. Now I'm going for stream analytics job. Create and give name as what? Naresh stream analytics job. I'll come here. I'll say here stream analytics. Stream analytics job. This one. Click on the stream analytics jobs. Click on create. Okay. Name. Give the name as this one. Next. Review plus create, and then click on create. Give the name. I'll take it as Japan East because all my things is in Japan East only. Okay, I have deployed where in Naresh RG or my RG. 1 minute, hold on. IoT Hub, Naresh RG, Japan East. So this also Naresh RG. I'll take Japan East. Japan Japan. Japan is not there. West US, West US, East US, West India, South India, Japan, West it is Norway, Japan East. Okay, fine. Japan East. Add a storage account if you want. If you want to attach it, no, I'll do it separately. I don't want to mix the destination here. I'll say next. Pass the tax accordingly. Okay, manage identity. I'm going with system assigned manage identity only. I'll go ahead and I'll deploy the stream analytics job. I'm deploying the stream analytics job. Okay, fine. So it is getting deployed now. Now create a blob storage account. Okay, and create a container inside the storage account. Inside the storage account, and this storage account we are treating as whatever destination. Finally, our data should come here inside this storage account. This is our final destination. See, this we have opened, this we have triggered, this we have created. Stream analytics also we have done just now. It's getting created still. Okay, done. Stream analytics job also created. This is also completed. Now this is storage account we are creating. Okay, so I'll say here blob storage account. Okay, any name you can give, and you can get a container with a name called destination container. Okay, so I will come here home. I'll go for storage. Click on create. I'll say a Naresh RG. I'll take it as okay. Destination SA 1924. 1924. Any name you can give. Japan East I'm taking. Okay. I'm taking it as blob storage account. Storage accounts, all these things we have deployed 100 times till now. Okay. So let the storage account gets deployed here. I'll say here create. Deployment is in progress. Fine. The storage account got deployed. I'll go inside the blob services. I'll create a container here with a name called destination container. Create. Okay, done. Now go inside the stream analytics job. Okay, input, add input. Okay, define the inputs here. Okay, I'll go to home, stream analytics job. Okay, go inside it. Okay, click on the inputs. Click on this input, say here add input. Okay, so here what you have to choose IoT hub. Why we are choosing IoT hub here? Why you are choosing IoT Hub? Because this IoT Hub is the one which is giving the data to Stream Analytics job. So for Stream Analytics, the input is IoT Hub only. For Stream Analytics job, the input is IoT Hub only. That's why I am giving here what IoT Hub. Add input, I am giving it as what IoT Hub. So here choose carefully IoT Hub. You have to be very careful. Input alias, give it as IoT input. Give here as IoT input and say here save. Fine. Here we'll see the notification successful connection test. Okay, just hold on. Now it is testing whether really IoT Hub is existing with this name, with these details what we have given. If it is yes, then the connection will be successful. Yeah, see, super. Successful connection test. Successful connection test. We got it. This you should get. If you are not getting this, understand somewhere something you have done wrong. Please understand this. Okay. Then go inside the Stream Analytics job outputs. Output is who? Output is our blob storage account. Okay. I'll go to outputs, add output. I'll say here, okay, blob storage account. Okay, many are there. I'm taking a blob storage account as an output. Output alias, I'm giving alias as what? Blob output. I'll take this one, blob output. Path pattern, date. Path pattern, date here. Okay, just put it here. Control C. Come here, and path pattern, pass date here. Say here, save. That's it. Okay, click on save. Finally, click on save. Finally, here we'll get the notification as successful connection test. So we'll see here successful connection test. Just hold on, testing the output, testing the input, and giving the result as successful connection test. Same way, output added and successful connection test for output also. See, output also successful connection test. Okay. See guys, all these results should come here. Then only you are going perfect. You are going correct. If you are getting any errors, simply look into the video recordings carefully. Again, do this. Okay, because when you are doing it for the first time, okay, you might come across with some issues because of imperfection. So that's why we are having the video recordings. Go inside the Stream Analytics job query, left side. Okay, see, this is the query. Okay, this is our Stream Analytics job. Click on the query. Okay, and here we'll see the live data which is streaming in our Stream Analytics jobs from IoT Hub. Yes, that's correct. So the data is now coming from IoT Hub to Stream Analytics jobs. Okay, the data which we are receiving in our Stream Analytics job from IoT Hub. That's what I am showing here. Okay, see, we'll see the live data which is streaming in our Stream Analytics jobs from IoT Hub, because IoT Hub is the input for our Stream Analytics job. Okay, if I go here, see, this is the live data, correct? From, okay, from Raspberry to IoT Hub to Stream Analytics job. Okay, Raspberry Pi simulator is one who is, okay, blinking continuously. Okay, 1 minute, it got stopped. It was blinking, na? Now it started. It started. Okay, now IoT Hub. Now it started. This has to blink continuously, and data flow will happen continuously. Okay, this is what. Keep clicking on refresh to pull the live streaming data from IoT Hub. IoT Hub is getting from Raspberry Pi simulator. Click on test results. Click on test.
This
and it
meeting
is,
is being
okay,
recorded.
extracting the data, and the data is flowing. Understand all these points, guys, all these dots you have to understand. And here we'll see the live data. Click on overview of Stream Analytics job, start the job. Start, wait for some 2 minutes. Click on overview of Stream Analytics job. Okay, if you come here, okay, if you say here overview of Stream Analytics job, and then say a start job. Okay, start job, wait for some 2 minutes, and here we see, you can see the status as running, and ensure that pi simulator is blinking the light and sending the live stream data to our IoT app. From here, Streamatic job will take the data as an input. I'll say start the job. Okay, I'll say here start now. Okay, okay, it is asking me to set the diagnostic settings not required. Fine, that is just for the logging purposes and all. Now start it and ensure that it is running continuously. Fine, this is done now. From here the from here the stream analytics job will take the data as an input. Now come to blob storage account, go inside the container what we have created, and here we'll see the folder hierarchy as year, month and date. Because live data na, it is fetching what, it is fetching live data, it is fetching live data, right? So what you will see in live data, you will see something like this. Okay, what is the year now? We are in which year? We are in which year? 2023, 2024, 2025. Which year? We are in 2024. We are here in 2024, right? So 2024. Then inside 2024, you will find one more folder. We are in which month? We are in which month? August. So what is the number for August? 08. Correct? It will show something like this. Of we are on which date? Today is what the date? Today the date is 20. So this is what the live date today. This is the live date today. Okay, so exactly this pattern you will see in your destination storage account. Okay, I will go here and I will open in a new window. Okay, I'll go to the storage account. I'll go here. See, now I'll go to the container, destination container. See, 2024. 2024 is the year. Perfect. Now we are in which month? August. 08. August. Perfect. Now what is the date today? 20th of August. Say here 20. Now see, you are finding one file, and this file is having the live data. Complete automation. Now this will run continuously, sends the data to IoT hub. IoT hub feeds the data to stream analytics job. There we have defined input and output, whereas input is pointing to IoT hub, output is pointing to our, and output is what, our destination. Finally, where the data is what we have given this name, destination SA 1924, and the file is getting loaded here. What is the file size here? See, 9.98 KB, 9.98 KB here. Okay, kilobytes. Now, if you see here, this is some live data, some live data. See, this is a live data. Where's Raspberry Pi extracting? Okay, fine. This is the live data. What is the file size? 9.98 KB. If you refresh, this size will increase. If the size of the file is increasing, it means that the new data is getting loaded. Correct na? That's it na. If the file size is increasing, it means that the new data is getting loaded. Very simple. So I'll say here now refresh. the file size will increase here now. See, now it is what, 9.98 now. Refresh. See, it became 19.53. How much it was? 9.98 KB. After refresh, it is showing how much? 19.53 KB. Huge change. Okay, almost 10 KB. 10 KB data got increased, means that many records got inserted, and it will continuously load the data like that only. It will continuously load the data like that only. If you want to stop, then you have to stop the job. Just say yes, stop job. Once you stop the job, then okay, the data will not be feeded to our okay destination. It will be at our Azure Stream Analytics level only. Okay. See now 19.53. If I refresh again, it will size the 19.93. Na, it became 19.95. Asha 19.53 it was 19.95. Little increase, very little increase, but increase is there. If you wait for 5 minutes and you refresh it again, you will see some other number. Means what? The data is getting continuously loaded into our destination file, into our destination file. This is what, how we are extracting the live streaming data from okay, live events using the Raspberry Pi simulator, Azure IoT Hub, Internet of Things, Azure Stream Analytics, and then finally loading the data into the destination. Fine. So click on container, edit, and here we can see the live data rows which is keep increasing after every refresh. Hence, with this we can prove that with Azure Stream Analytics and other IoT Hub devices, we can fetch the live data and can store in our destination. Okay. The Stream Analytics jobs we can start only after we define the input and output, and until the job starts in Stream Analytics, it won't charge us. Okay, now it is charging me continuously because the job is on. Okay, IoT Hub, from this IoT Hub, we are sending here the telemetry from our IoT devices, and we are going to use in IoT Hub as an input for the Stream Analytics job here. This is what our Azure Stream Analytics. Next we are having is what? Azure Synapse Analytics. Next is what we are having, Azure Synapse Analytics. So what I'll do, I'll just go here and I will stop the job. I'll just say here, yes, I want to stop the job, stopping the Stream Analytics job here. Then the Stream Analytics job will get stopped. It will get stopped now. Okay. This is what about Azure Stream Analytics, guys. Very rarely used. Okay. Most of the projects are not using this concept. Most of the projects, okay, still not started using this concept. Just you mention in your resume that you are having a basic understanding of Azure Stream Analytics and Azure Synapse Analytics. Synapse Analytics. You just mention, you know, saying that I can, load the data into Azure Cloud Storage Services by considering the Raspberry Pi simulator and fetching the live data from live events and all. Just tell this, this is also sufficient, because the people who are working from 4 years, 5 years also, 6 years also, they don't know these concepts, because if we will learn only when we do in the project, else we don't learn the things, correct now? So this is very advanced concepts, guys. If you practice, if you read it carefully, if you remember, if you keep it in your head, then you can tell this in the interviews also, all this concept. Live data na, Shilpa, live data na, today's data now. Right now, live data means what? Historical data means already we have done lot of time, lot of things we have done with ADF, okay, with SQL queries and all that stuff. Live data. Live means what? What do you mean by live? Ah, right. To create the folder structure, we have used the date pattern. If you do this demo tomorrow, okay, if you do this demo tomorrow for an example, then you will get 2024, 8 and 21 you will get. You will get 21 because tomorrow the date will be the date will be 21st of 21st August 2024. If you do this on next month, okay, then you will get something like this. Okay, next month if you do, okay, suppose if you are doing on 2nd September, if you are doing on 2nd September, then 09, 02 and 2024, on whichever day, on whichever date you are doing, that only the pattern will form, that only the pattern will form in your storage account because it is live data, live current data. See, this is what how it is. See, if you do in the month of December, then 2024 12 11 means 11th December. If you do on 11th December, if you do on 10th December, then 24 2024 12 and 10, like this you will get it. Is that clear? No, we can do it in free subscription also. We can do it in free subscription as well. Okay, I have done in free subscription also. Okay, this will work in free subscription provided if you are doing all the steps properly. Okay, other inputs and other outputs, I don't have much hands on for this one, Shilpa Sahu. Okay, so even I know this only with stream analytics. Okay, so if you are asking other stream inputs and stream outputs, so stream inputs and stream outputs is what here, what you can do, you go to here inputs, from where you are getting the data, that input you have to select. So for our stream analytics job, we are getting the data from IoT Hub. That's why I have added IoT Hub. In your project, if that data is coming from Event Hub, then you will add here Event Hub. You will consider Event Hub. If you're getting the data from SQL database, then you can select SQL database. Same goes for output also. Okay, where finally you are loading your data. You are loading into the SQL database. You are loading into Azure Synapse Analytics. Okay, or you are loading it somewhere in data lake storage gen 2 storage account only, or Power BI PostgreSQL, wherever is your input and output, accordingly this you have to design. Okay, for event hub and all, okay, that is a separate designing, all this from the beginning you have to do. Okay, and whether that will work out in free trial subscription or not, I'm not sure. Okay, Shilpa, do you have free trial Azure account right now active? Yes. Data visualization will be done by the W team. You guys won't do, you guys are data engineers. And data presentation, preparing the reports on top of the data, I know that will be taken care by data analytics team. W, Power BI, that team will take care of. Okay, so if you create one, Shilpa, please do let me know. I don't have any free trial subscription as of now with me. Okay, if you create one, then please give it to me also. All right, next is what we are having, guys, Azure Synapse Analytics. Same like stream analytics, we are having Synapse Analytics. Same like stream analytics, we are having Synapse Analytics. What is Synapse Analytics? It is one of the analytical services that brings together the enterprise data warehousing and big data analytics. Okay, Okay, what it is saying, see, and analytical services that brings together the enterprise data warehousing and big data analytics. It gives us the freedom to query the data on our terms using either serverless or dedicated resources. Okay, in Azure Synapse Analytics, we can bring Azure Data Factory capabilities and Azure Data Bricks capabilities. Azure Synapse Analytics, okay, is a combination of Azure Data Factory and Azure Data Bricks. Capabilities into a single service, and that is called Azure Synapse Analytics. Azure Synapse Analytics gives us the best of ADF pipelines and ETL purpose. It gives us the best of Azure Databricks and SQL data warehouse technologies. Very good, very good. What it is saying? It gives us the best. Synapse Analytics gives us the best of ADF and integration of ETL purposes. It also gives us the best of Databricks and SQL data warehouse technologies. Okay. Hence, we don't need to maintain multiple services to accomplish our data engineering task. When we are using Azure Synapse, we can even connect Power BI to Azure Synapse SQL tables to generate the reports. Fine. This is our Synapse Analytics. Synapse can get the data from on-premises, cloud, SaaS, streaming data as well. We extract, we process, we transform, and then we load the data finally into the destination, into a data lake storage or SQL. And from there, the data presentation team will generate the reports using Power BI, Power Learning, Machine Learning, Data Analytics tool, Tableau, Power View, these, that, blah, 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 blah. Lot of different tools are there. Using that tools, they will do the data visualization, data presentation, data reports, generating the graphs, etc., etc. Okay, Synapse Analytics here, we can do many things, like it's something like a studios, how we are having ADF studios. Okay, Azure Synapse brings the best of below components to SQL technology is used in data warehousing that we call as Synapse SQL. Spark technology is used in big data that we call as Apache Spark, and this is an open source which helps us to process the big data and rapid speed. Pipeline for data integration and ETL ELT that we call it as ADF. Fine. Implementation steps of Azure Synapse Analytics. Implementations of Azure Synapse Analytics. This is actually okay, very big demo. Step 1, step 2, 3, okay, but it will take a lot of time to deploy a Synapse, Azure Synapse Analytics, Azure Synapse Analytics. It will take some time, guys. I'll take this up in tomorrow's class. Okay, or else shall we go ahead? It will take time, I believe, to get deployed. It will take some time, I believe. Like data bricks, it will take some time. Okay. Okay. This I'll show you in tomorrow's class, guys. Yeah, better I'll show you in tomorrow's class. In the middle, I don't want to stop the lab here. Okay, this is a very big one. I believe, I don't remember how much time it will take to get delivered, to get deployed, completed successfully. Might be 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. I don't remember. Okay, and when we start writing the queries, this is what the features, components, like the main components of ADF is what? The main components of ADF we are having is something like, pipelines, triggers, link services, data sets, okay, and data flows, like this. Some main components of Azure Synapse Analytics also we are having. This I'll show you in tomorrow's class, guys. I'll show you this in tomorrow's class. You want it? Okay, I'll share the material here. 1 minute. I'll do one thing, guys. I'll just go ahead and delete this resource group because I did this demo in my paid subscription. Paid subscription means I'm paying. I have to pay to Microsoft now what all I have created. There is no excuse for me. Okay. Maybe I think I have to pay some 1500 2000 rupees for this demo what I have shown. Okay. That I'll pay it, no problem. For you guys, try to do this in free trial. You are not required to pay anything in free trial. Fine, I will go here and I will upload this demo. 1 minute, hold on. Okay, Azure Data Engineering file upload. No, I'll do one thing. I'll say here new folder. Okay, it is there now, guys. Here it is there. Azure Stream and Synapse Analytics. Okay, just go ahead and download. Go ahead and download everyone. The material is there. All also some sample files is there. Okay,